Namaste. Hamesha खुश रहो बिटिया. My name is JVN Manisha Singh. Today I am teaching you agribusiness in entrepreneurship portfolio, discipline food and biotechnology. Now let's start the topic. What is agribusiness? Agribusiness is one of the most challenging businesses today. Agribusiness has held up a large share of business niche. The volume of agribusiness is flourishing day by day. The term agribusiness coined first in 1957 by Goldberg and Davis. Agribusiness is not mere a business, rather, it is an useful tool for ensuring food security throughout the world and all sorts of basic needs, as most of the basic requirements are filled up directly or indirectly with agro products. In future, agribusiness will be the central metaphor of business system for not only in the our country but also to the whole world. What is agriculture? Agriculture is art of cultivating various categories of crops including animal husbandry, forestry, fishery and other related activities. Then what is business? An economic unit aims to sell goods and services to the customers at prices that will provide an adequate return to its owners. Commercialization of any enterprises. Then agribusiness is the combination of agriculture and the business. Then what is the objectives of agribusiness? Agribusiness objectives are to develop a competitive and sustainable private sector led agribusiness sector, then increase productivity or reduce yield gaps, commercialization of agriculture, advance high potential sectors, horticulture, livestock and fisheries, then use of modern technologies in agriculture and reducing cost of production, value addition and export agriculture. Then the agri-business system is the input sector, including the production sector and processing manufacturing sector. This is all the agri-business system. Then production sector. It aims at producing crops, livestock and other products. The agricultural production sector has been the cause of much of the change in agribusiness. They in turn have been changed by development in other areas of agribusiness, particularly in technology. Then processing or manufacturing sector, it employs millions of people in a variety of businesses ranging from grain elevators to fruit and vegetable processing plants to supermarketers to fast food restaurants. The businesses in this sector acquire raw agricultural commodities from producers and then process them into food products that are sold at times, at places, and in forms that are desired by the consumers. The important features of agribusiness. Agribusiness is a multifaceted point of view, complex vertical structure, largely dependent and partially independent. Successful decision making at firm level is the basis for development in future. Viability of the industry is traceable to the viability of the firms, and agribusiness is a market oriented. Then major areas of agribusiness. First is farm supplies, production, processing, marketing, research and extension, and government policies and programmers. Then what is the scope of agribusiness? Growing demand for agricultural inputs, that is the feed and fodder, inorganic fertilizers, biofertilizers, then biotechnology applications. It is basically production of seed, biocontrol agents, industrial harnessing of microbes for bakery products. Export can be harnessed as a source of economic growth. Scope for production of marine and inland fish and ornamental fish culture. It also scope for production of meat, milk and fish products, poultry products, etc. Mushroom production for domestic consumption and export. Then organic farming. Then importance of agribusiness. Single most important contributor to world's economy, and it represents approximately one-fourth of the total world production. It provides employment for nearly half of the population of the planet. then it also plays an important role in economic development of most countries. It also maturing of production sector giving rise to the other sectors. It released workers. The nature of successful agribusiness. The most important requisites for success in modern business are clean objectives, planning, sound organization, research, finance, proper plant location, layout and size, efficient management, harmonious relations with the workers. Agribusiness is going to dominate all over the world as a potential business sector for which proper strategic management is required to be developed in the country and the supply chain management of the country or to be improved. It should be properly handled to raise in national income, creation of employment opportunities, raising purchasing power, and ultimately decreasing balance of trade deficit and causing economic development of the country and to fulfillment of basic needs of the people of the country. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention it in a comment box. I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much for watching this video.